Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you make the smartest choices with your tech. Today, we've got a super useful video for you how to check if your Realme smartphone is original or fake. Yes, you heard that right. With all the knocks off floating around, it's crucial to know you're getting the real deal. Step 1. Check the packaging. Realme phones come in a well designed and high quality box. Make sure the packaging has a clean and professional look, with no spelling mistakes or blurry images. It should be also inside the Realme logo and model name clearly. A barcode, serial number, and security labels are usually present and can often tell you a lot about the authenticity. Step 2. Verify the IMEI number. Every genuine Realme number has a unique IMEI number that can be used to verify its authenticity. Simply dial star hashtag 06 hashtag. And the IMEI number will appear on the screen. Then go to the Realme official website or use Google IMEI checker websites to verify if the number matches the records. Now, step 3 is to inspect the build quality. Realme is known for its solid constructions. If the phone feels usually light, has uneven gaps between surfaces, or poor quality buttons, it might be a fake. Also, check the screen's resolutions and color quality, which should be high if it's genuine Realme phone. Step 4 is to check for official updates. A Realme phone will receive official updates from Realme. Head over to the settings, tap on About Phone and then System Updates. Check if there are any updates available directly from Realme. If you can't update your phone through the official means, it could be a red flag indicating that the device may not be genuine. And those are the keys to check if your Realme phone is original or fake. Remember, buying from authorized retailers and checking these details can save you from a lot of hassle later on. And if you're in doubt, it's always better to consult directly with Realme customer support.